Welcome, English friends. I'm Devin, and I teach calm, slow English for real life. Today is Slow English Friday. You will listen carefully to a story about me. Then I will ask you two questions. You can answer one or both questions in the comments and I will check your answer. Ready? Let's go. At the end of the day, it is time to think about dinner. This is not always easy for me. Sometimes the hardest part is deciding what to cook. I stand in the kitchen and think about the food that we have. I open the refrigerator and look inside. Often, my kids want something different from what I plan to cook. When that happens, they make their own food. My husband and I usually like the same things, so I cook something simple for us. I like to cook with fresh ingredients. The food is simple, but still full of flavor. I also enjoy spicy food. On cold days, I sometimes make food that is warm and savory, like pot roast or a hearty soup. But on hot days, I prefer light and fresh food. For example, I might make a salad with vegetables and herbs. Of course, my favorite food is pizza. But I do not cook pizza at home. When I want pizza, I order it and have it delivered to my house. Sometimes dinner is simple, but it is still a good way to end the day with my family. Now it's time for the comprehension questions. Question 1. What is the hardest part about making dinner for me? Question 2. What do I do when I want pizza? Okay, friends, thank you for learning about me today. Good job. See you tomorrow.